Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Coinmarketcap for beginners from scratch. When you first arrive on the Coinmarketcap homepage, also known as the dashboard, you'll get a broad overview of the crypto market. This is where you can quickly see major market activity, leading coins, current trends, and recent updates. For beginners, this page is useful because it gives you a snapshot of what's happening across the market without needing to open individual assets right away. Take a moment to scan the layout so you can become familiar with where key information appears. Next, move to the cryptocurrencies section in the top menu. This area lets you browse different coins and compare them by ranking. You'll also be able to view important details such as price, market capitalization, and trading volume. These metrics help you understand how large or active a coin is in the market. If you're new to crypto, this section is one of the best places to begin learning how projects are listed and compared. You can also open the trending section to see which cryptocurrencies are currently attracting the most attention from traders and investors. This can be a helpful way to spot what people are talking about at the moment. Just remember that trending coins are not always the same as strong long-term investments, so it's best to use this section as a discovery tool rather than a final decision maker. After that, click on Exchanges. Here you can compare trading platforms based on trading volume, trust score, and the cryptocurrencies they support. This is especially useful if you want to understand where assets are being traded and how different exchanges stack up in terms of activity and credibility. Another helpful feature is the watch list. Use it to save coins you want to monitor so you don't have to search for them each time you visit. This can save time and make it easier to keep up with price movements on assets you care about. You can also use the portfolio feature to track your crypto holdings and monitor profits, losses, and overall performance. This is useful for keeping everything organized in one place and getting a clearer view of how your holdings are doing over time. Be sure to visit the products section as well. This area introduces additional Coinmarketcap tools and features, including market data, APIs, educational resources, and other crypto-related services. It's a good place to explore once you're comfortable with the basics. Finally, use the search bar at the top of the page to find any cryptocurrency quickly. From there, you can review its price chart, market cap, volume, and other key metrics. This is often the fastest way to research a specific coin and dive deeper into its market data.